Now to an update on the coronavirus outbreak. More people here in Indiana have died from COVID-19 and even more cases have been confirmed. Let's show you the numbers here. The state health department reports 31 deaths and 290 more positive cases, and that means there have now been more than 1,200 cases confirmed. And remember, mostly just the seriously ill and medical workers are the ones getting these tests right now. Just over 8,400 people have been tested here. The state health commissioner says our peak is expected in mid to late April, so not for another 2 to 4 weeks will we see the peak. One of the biggest concerns right now, will there be enough intensive care beds to handle the incoming surge of patients?
Then you have to have a next stage of planning. So where are patients going to go? Will they go to the north? Will they go to the south? Will they come to Indianapolis? And so hospitals are talking daily with each other about how to prepare for those different kind of models and how patients will flow.
That was Brian Tabor, president of the Indiana Hospital Association there. We've also learned almost half the country has fewer hospital beds than we did 6 years ago. The good news is Indiana is not one of the states to see a drop. In fact, we have more than 2.5 beds per 1,000 people. That's more than the national average. And hospitals told me they are working on adding intensive care beds to prepare for what's to come. Now, let's broaden the picture here. Across the country, more than 2,000 people have died. More than 120,000 people have been tested. Reporters asked President Trump this weekend whether he'll put a travel ban into place, or quarantine, as he calls it, on the hardest hit areas. Here's what he had to say.
This would be an enforceable quarantine, and, I'd rather not do it, but we may need it.
It would have affected people in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut for about 2 weeks. Coming up this morning, later on Meet the Press, Chuck Todd will have former Vice President Joe Biden and White House coronavirus response coordinator, Dr. Deborah Birx, someone we've seen with the president in the White House on these updates almost daily. She's going to be on Meet the Press to discuss the latest information. That's coming up this morning at 10.